Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a clean with me video for you guys today, and yes honey, it is a messy clean with me video because this is what my room is looking like as of today. So I am going to tackle this mess and get this room back in order. So if you are looking for some cleaning motivation, then just keep watching. I'm going to start by picking up all of these excess clothes that I have lying around my floor. We have recently had family in from out of town, so we didn't hardly get any cleaning done while family was here. So I definitely didn't get any laundry done. So here I'm just picking up clothes and everything off the floor so I can put those in the wash. Now here I'm just going ahead and I was cleaning out my nightstand, so that's what you see, all those papers lying there on my bed, because I was cleaning out my drawers, my nightstand as well as my husband's nightstand, trying to get rid of some clutter. So I'm just decluttering here and trying to throw away the excess things that I don't need. So that's what I'm doing in this clip. For some reason I just like to pile up things into my nightstand. I just kind of throw things in there. If I don't see it, I don't have to worry about it, and then eventually it just kind of takes over the whole drawer. So I'm just trying to get this mess cleaned out as well. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Trina, and on my channel I share all things home decor related. And if you are a returning subscriber, then welcome back. I am sorry you guys, I have been MIA for the last week or so. Like I said, I had family in town for like a whole week, so I didn't get a chance to record or editing things. I really wanted to spend family time with our loved ones. So yes, I apologize for my absence, but I am back and have great videos coming for you guys. So if you are not subscribed to our decorating family here, make sure you hit that red subscribe button so you become part of our family. Here I'm just going to take some Windex and clean off my mirror. This mirror doesn't really collect a lot of dust, but it does get fingerprints and everything on there time to time from my little guy that's always in here playing around. Next, I'm going to just taking all of our sheets off our bed so I can, next I'm just taking all the linens off the bed and everything so that I can go ahead and just make up the bed properly. At night we don't sleep on our decorative pillows, so that's what you kind of see laying on the floor everywhere is those decorative pillows. So I kind of just toss those to the side at night and don't really worry about them. But when I get ready to make my bed up, I try to start off with a blank slate and try to make everything look nice and neat. Right here I'm just kind of wiping down my lamps, and I'm wiping down my picture frames here with some Windex as well, giving them a good wipe down because they do collect dust. And excuse my little son in the background. He is helping me out and by cleaning the bathroom in there, so that's what you see him doing, walking back and forth, because he is actually helping mama out and cleaning the bathroom in there. So here I'm just starting to make up our bed. And I do like for the springtime or just for decorating period with my bedroom, I like to use white comforters because it just makes everything look so clean and fresh. And then I can add in my pops of color with my accessory pieces and my throw pieces to kind of make it stand out and look a little bit more elegant. So right here you just see me kind of just adding on my my comforter. If you guys remember from my my spring refresh or my spring master bedroom refresh, you guys see me redecorate this room in here with my my spring colors, which is this gray and kind of lavender color, which I'm absolutely still loving at the moment. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave it up in the cards so you can kind of take a look at that video. I'm just kind of like folding my comforter. One way to add luxury, or one way to make your bed look more luxurious, is by adding layers on there. Layers just makes your bed looks so more elegant and so more classy by just adding different layers to it. It makes it look a whole lot better. So here I'm just putting our everyday pillows. These are the pillows that we sleep on every night. And then on top of that, I'll go ahead and start adding the decorative pillows back. I hope you all are having a wonderful summer. I know school is out and kids are having some fun and everything. So I hope you guys are enjoying your summer, and I hope you guys are staying inspired and getting some things tackled around your home. I do have a lot of videos planned for you guys. Sometimes in the summertime it is a little bit slower for me here, simply because I do have the kids out of school and they are here, so I try to make sure I do things with them. So sometimes my videos may not be on time during the summers, but once it starts getting fall and everything, I'll definitely be uploading it a little bit more regular. So here I'm just adding on my white fluffy pillows. I love these pillows. I got these from Home Goods. They're so soft, but I definitely make sure that I don't sleep on them at night. But I'm just adding those in there, and then I'm just filling it in with my accent pillows. And these accent pillows, actually the pillows I already had, but as you guys may know from my my spring decorating with me video for the master bedroom, I ordered those pillow covers. Those are actually pillow covers from Amazon, and I believe they were like $10 each or something like that. They were really inexpensive, so I love the way they look, and then it keeps me from buying new pillows. Now I always like to add kind of like a thin throw for the summer, so I got this cute little gray throw that's really soft. It's like a thin fleece that I'm adding to my bed just to add additional layer and to add make the bed look more luxurious and comfy. So this is what my bed is looking like, you guys, all made up and not looking like a mess. And then I'm just adding in some room freshener here. This is in the linen scent, and I actually picked this up from Kohl's, and this actually does smell pretty amazing. It smells like fresh linen, and I just like to use that on my comforters as well as my rugs and my upholstered furniture in the bedroom as well, just to get everything a fresh, clean smell. Now I'm just going to go ahead and start vacuuming up my floor. I am using my Shark vacuum. I love this handheld vacuum because it gets the job done. It comes with 4 different attachments where you can do your furniture as well, and you can use it for your floors. I just love it because it makes cleanup a whole lot easier. So I'm just going here and just vacuuming up my rug here. If you guys remember, this area rug I did have in my family room, but since then I moved this to my master bedroom because this is a high pile rug, so it was so difficult to keep it clean and keep it vacuumed every day with the kids and everything in there. So I moved it in here because it'll be a little bit easier to keep it looking nice, and it'll be a whole lot easier to clean in this area instead of a high traffic area. So here I'm just moving my bench back. And then I'm just going to take the upholster part to my Shark vacuum, and I'm just going to vacuum the crumbs out of my little bench here. One thing about when you have this tufted furniture, it does tend to get crumbs or anything like that in the little tufted grooves, so I try to make sure I vacuum it out at least a couple of times a month or something like that to keep it clean. So okay, you guys, so I'm going to work my way to the other side of my room. As you can see, I have shopping bags and everything all over the place. I'm going to put that stuff away. And then here I'm just going to clean off my little ottoman nightstand ottoman that I have there, that it serves as a table. You guys have seen me decorate with this piece before. I'm just going to clean that off really good and just kind of put away all these throw blankets and everything. going to take some Windex here and just clean off the table section of this ottoman. I love this ottoman because you can use it for storage or you can use it as a table. This is from the Inspire Me Home collection by Farrah, and I just love her things. I just love her items that she sells and everything. I love her Instagram page. If you don't follow her on Instagram, make sure you follow her on Instagram. And she has a wonderful page and provides beautiful home decor inspiration, as well as furnitures and things of that sort. So since it is summertime officially, so I'm putting just a thinner throw that I can use when I get chilly at night, because my big fur throw, even though it is nice and pretty and everything, it does get pretty hot down here in Houston. So I try to put that away for the summer and then just kind of use a lighter throw for these warmer summer months. And then I'm just adding some room freshener to my chair and this side of the room as well. Now I'm going to move my way over to my chest here, and I'm just going to get all this things and everything off of this chest. This seems to be kind of like the dumping ground for me and my husband in the morning. We always have stuff laying around on this chest, so we're trying to get that cleaned out and get it back looking great again. Everything off of here. I'm just going to clean down my little mirror tray that I have here. I just use this as a decorating tray to kind of style different home decor pieces. So I'm just going to wipe that down with some Windex. Here's everything all cleaned and refreshed. Now I love to light a candle in my master bedroom when I'm done cleaning, and right now I'm lighting this scent from Bath and Body Works, which is the mahogany teak wood. I absolutely love that scent. It smells so amazing. It just smells like a fresh scented man, and I just love that scent. So that's what I'm going to be burning here, you guys. And then I try to make sure I put some fresh flowers on my nightstand during the summer months as well, because it just makes you feel nice and cheery and just gives you a fresh start to your day, or a brighter start to your day, just to wake up to some fresh flowers. So right here I just have some carnations in this beautiful green color that I got from my local grocery store. And here, you guys, is the final result. This is my room all clean and organized and looking just clean and spotless. Definitely a different look than what it was looking in the beginning of this video. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you think somebody else can enjoy this cleaning motivation, please consider sharing this video with your family and friends. And to all of my wonderful subscribers, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.